Medison 3D4-9ES 3D4D Endocavitary Probe Repair. Samsung Medison 3D4-9ES 3D4D Endocavitary Probe Bandwidth, 4 to 9 MHz. Applications, Obstetrics, Gynecology, Urology. Compatibility, Accuvix V10, Accuvix V20. Biopsy Guide, available, Reusable, BFBPPEC47, Accuvix V20. Need service or repair for the Samsung Medison 3D4-9ES 3D/4D Endocavitary Probe. Probelogic offers Samsung Medison 3D4-9ES 3D/4D Endocavitary Probe service. Our technicians are among the best in the industry and are trained to fix and work on the Samsung Medison Probe. Find Medison 3DS-9ES Probe, questions, troubleshooting, testimonials, discussions at Probelogic. Productivity, performance, and flexibility, Medison Ultrasound Probe, Medison. Get support for Medison Ultrasound Probe. www.probelogic.com.au/feedback